Hey everybody, it's your girl Sheila J, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And today's video is going to be about Shipt. It is a money-making app that, well, it's not even an app. It's more like Shipt is basically a company that you get hired as a freelancer or whatever, and you get to go shopping at different stores like Target and CVS and Fairway. Well, these are just some of the stores that are in New York. You can shop primarily at Target and any other company that I think is local to where you live in the United States. And during this time, especially in quarantine and with everything that's going on, I know a lot of people are kind of unsure of what their income is and they might not be working. So I just wanted to share with you guys my experience with Shipt and, answer pretty much any questions that anybody has in terms of how if you can really make money with Shipt. And the correct answer is yes, you can really make money with Shipt. I will also be doing a detailed blog post for you guys, and put a code. So if after this video you feel like you want to sign up for Shipt and make some extra money during this time, even though I highly suggest not to, stay home if you have to, stay home. But if you need the money, make sure you're wearing your protective gear, like your gloves, you have hand sanitizer, and you're wearing a face mask. But for the most part, Shipt is a great way to make extra money. And here's a screenshot of how much money I've made since the beginning of this pandemic, because I signed up in, I want to say November-ish, and I got approved, but I didn't really do it, and I didn't do it until maybe the first week of March is when I did it. And I didn't start taking it seriously. That's really when I started taking it seriously. And for the most part, it's been pretty consistent. And, some days I take off, some days I don't. But, it's been good money for the most part. And I know right now a lot of people are scared, and which is why I'm sharing this. And even if you don't want to sign up to work for Shipt, I'm going to still leave the link in the description for you guys to sign up and try Shipt and hire. I think it's like a promo code. I don't really know the details of it, but I'm gonna leave the link for you guys in the description. So even if you don't want to work for Shipt, you can still sign up for Shipt and use Shipt so that you can use it for your groceries and the things that you need and whatnot. But I really wholeheartedly really like Shipt a lot. I never really worked for Instacart. I signed up for it, but it never really fell through. But Shipt, really like it. I think in 1 week, as you guys saw in the picture, I made a little over $1,000 in one week. I do have to say it is hard in New York City, in an area which has public transportation. It's really hard to do Shipt without a car. So if you want to do Shipt, you can do it without a car, but it's going to be really hard. And right now, I wouldn't suggest doing it without a car. I do it, my boyfriend does it, and he just signed up his friend, and his friend also does it. So obviously, if I'm doing it, my boyfriend's doing it, and he has a couple of other people doing it, obviously it works. So that's pretty much really all I really wanted to say. I don't know really what else to say. There's also a Facebook group full of all the Shipt shoppers that work for Shipt, and they're all very supportive. Shipt is really amazing. You don't get penalized. You really don't get penalized for dropping order. If you have to drop an order, you don't get penalized for canceling an order. If somebody cancels, you get paid for somebody canceling because you already shopped for it. So there's perks. I can't say there's nothing wrong about it. I haven't gotten any rude customers. I got paid an $80 tip just from one order. So the amount of money you can possibly make with Shipt is like amazing. I know that there's people who are buying their houses with Shipt. There's people who are buying cars with Shipt. So the amount, you decide what you want to do. It's just like anything else. You put in the hours, you make the money. So at the end of the day, that's really all I really wanted to share. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna put the if you want to shop if you want to sign up to be a shopper, I'm gonna put the code, my employee code, so that you guys can sign up and use my code as a referral, so I get credit for referring you to Shipt. If you want to just use Shipt for your personal needs and hire somebody to shop, I'm gonna also put the link in the description below for you guys. But other than that, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Comment, like, all that good stuff. Bye guys.